All right. I have noticed that I never created the privacy policy page for this website. These are actually links to a different website. So we are going to create a policy page, and the policy page that we're going to create is going to be like similar to this one here. Like in this case, you can see this is from my portfolio website. I have a section and I have a title, privacy, and then I have the text, the privacy text. So I use this website, which is called the Privacy Policy Generator website, to generate privacy policy texts. And the same text I have generated for just virtual creatives. And this is the text that we're going to use. I'll just copy and paste within that privacy policy page. So we are going to build this page, a page that looks exactly like this uh, on your website. And we are going to do that using Divi. So to create a new page, just come to, or you can use this button here, or this link here, and then create a new page. And the first thing that you'll have to do is now add the title of your page. The title of our page in this case is the privacy policy. So we'll write privacy policy, and then we are going to use the Divi builder. You could just write the text here and then that's it, but it won't look nice. So we're going to use the Divi builder. So you click on that and then it will open uh, something like this. Okay, it will open up something like this, but we will build on the front end. So you click build on the front end, but before that, we are going to build from scratch. And then close that, build on the front end. And it will open up your working area. Because you're building from scratch, you don't have any content. You're the one who's going to decide on the structure and everything. So we're building from scratch again. So the first thing that you'll have is one section, an empty section. A section, I said, is having the blue, and then you can now insert what we call the row. If you click on this one here to add a new row, you have a row with only one column, a row with two columns, a row with three columns, four columns, five columns, six columns, a row with two columns, but on the one that is on the left is smaller in terms of sizes to the one on the right. You see, you can have these structures here. But if you look at what we have in the first section, we only have one row because you only have the text here and the text is in the middle. So we'll pick on one that's having one row. Click on that. And then we insert a module. In this case, the module that is here is a text module. That is what we'll do. We'll click or look for the text module. These are the modules. These are the available modules. You have the accordion. If you want to add an audio, you click on that. If you want to add a bar counter, blog, blurb, you will understand how all these work. If you want to add a comment or an email opt-in, a gallery image, like that. But in this case, we want to add the text. You can just, quickly search here, text, and you will have the text module. Click on that. And then it will come with some placeholder text. This one here. This text here. So you can, delete this and then add your own text. Our own text in this case is privacy policy. So we want to make it a heading. We can have the H1. That's the first step. And then if you look at um, here, the background of the section is blue. We can go with your background. Your background is having a different color. We can change that later. But to change the section background, just click on this icon, the settings icon, and then the background. And then you add the color. If you have an image, you can add the image. But let's say we go with this background here. You can change that color later. And then we go back to the text module, this one here. We can now start designing our text. This